Mumbai's ladies' special train turned into a nightmare. A violent clash broke out between women inside the Virar Ladies Special. Shouting turned into pushing and hitting, and one woman was critically injured after falling hard. She had to be rushed to the hospital immediately. The reason? A fight over seating turned aggressive. The Railway Protection Force has launched an investigation and passengers are demanding better security in women's compartments. Was this preventable? Should there be stricter rules? Comment your thoughts. Credits, script by your facts.